It's a beautiful day here on the farm, and it's a great day to clean off frames. And we had a mess of waxwing moth and mold get into our frames, and so we're seeing how this power washer works. I heard that that might do the trick, and so I thought I'd show you what it does. We've got some that I already started to clean off here. You see it's getting all but maybe a little bit of the propolis off, but here's some that have foundation on them, and this is how it works with that. So my son and I were doing this, and we were kind of laughing at ourselves because we felt like maybe we took a little bit too much time with our hive tools trying to scrape a bunch of this stuff off. We could have just power washed it off. But anyway, what I'm using today is a Craftsman 1900 PSI. I got it at Menards, and I'm not being paid, or this is not a commercial, but I just thought I'd tell you what I'm using. And it's got 4 different chucks on the end, so if you want to pop one out and go to a different chuck, it's kind of handy that way, so you can get a different stream out of your wand. So all right, thanks for watching, and if you like my video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe. Thanks. Have a great day.